Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hassan IT Tricks. Today I will discuss about how we can convert Word file directly into PowerPoint slides. Let's go start. Open Word application, then write your text or paste the text which you copied from internet. I have some text which I copied from Google. Now I paste here by pressing Ctrl plus V. Then select all the text by pressing Ctrl plus A and given heading 2 to all the selected text. Now select your heading one by one and given them heading 1 and change fonts and made bold. After given topics heading to heading 1 and all other text to heading 2, now for Word to PowerPoint conversion, you need to make some changes in your Word application. Click on File, then click on More. Now click on Options. Now click on Quick Access Toolbar. Then click here and click on All Commands. Now scroll down and search Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Select it and click on Add button, then click on OK. Now the PowerPoint is linked with Word and show shortcut at the top left side. Click on it. It takes some time and finally the Word document changed into PowerPoint slide. Thanks for watching. For more informative video, please like, share, comments and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.